welcome back to my channel. My name is Alia Makhijani Kumar, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today's video is all about Mr. DIY. I'm going to show you their collection, and also I've shopped from there, so I'm going to also show you the haul. So Mr. DIY has a sale ongoing in this entire month of August 2024 on utensils, hardware, plumbing, stationery, car accessories and luggage items, which is up to 70% off, and rest selected items per they have also 50% off ongoing. Mr. DIY is usually a very affordable brand, and you can see there's so much vast variety of stationery and a lot of things, of course. Literally have things starting from 30-40 rupees going up to thousands, and you can see that I have shown you very beautiful looking stationery, diaries, pencils, pencils, eye patches, hair clutchers and towels starting from around 70-75 rupees, and napkins and towels, different variety of towels, soft ones, khurdere wale, बहुत ज़्यादा variety है. You definitely have to check out Mr. DIY because they have amazing deals ongoing, and they also are affordable otherwise as well. Party hats starting from rupees 21, also party poppers, ribbons and a lot of things that you could use for a birthday for your kid. And they also have a lot of decoration items. There are candles, glow in the dark stickers, and of course yoga mat here. A lot of variety for things you can use for fitness, workout. Again, a lot of variety of toys and plushies and soft toys that you can get for your child. This was a mat which is bigger than my arm. You can see here it's such a cute mat. At footballs, dart boards and whatnot. Variety of mugs starting at the lowest prices, and ramekins, cupcake molds, chakla, chocolate molds, table mats, ice cube trays, ice cream scooper, straws, bottles, containers, cake nozzles, kitchen tools, scissors, oven mitts. Then these are the kind of organizers you can use to separate your stuff in the cupboard and keep properly and organized. So much variety overall in Mr. DIY that you will get confused of what you should pick up, but definitely there's a lot of things for the people who want to pick up sasta or mehenga. Again, a vast variety of organizers for my makeup and other products. Also had different variety of chunnis, also something that you could use for making fries. Everything available under one roof, which is genius. Cutting boards as well as chopsticks, and such cute looking dustbins. I mean, इसमें कुछ फेंकने का ही मन ना करे, इतने प्यारे dustbins थे. On to the trendy sippers, which start at only 151 rupees, and I mean, you can see the variety. I'm also going to post a short about it. Definitely check it out. They also had these different kinds of basket for hamper making if you are into it, and also different variety of wall clocks. All size से बड़ी sizes तक बहुत कुछ available था wall clocks में भी. Tiny makeup mirror which you can definitely keep in your bathroom or your vanity just for rupees 159. They also had a rack full of nail tools, so nail filer, nail cutter, everything that you could use for a manicure. Then moving on to these, a rack full of beautiful stickers that you could use for your kids' projects or school and their notebooks. Then of course a lot of tote bags and pouches for your makeup and stuff. If you take tiffin to your office, they also had these tiny cute little tiffin bags and fanny packs also for men. Pencil pouches in the range of 90 to 200, 250. Pill wale bhi the, chrome wale bhi the, and very nice variety for it. Coming to these cute planters starting at 107 rupees to these flower ladiyan or फिर बहुत सारे artificial flowers, and I mean, I was in heaven looking at these. It was so cute. Cool bags as well, variety of school bags, wallets for men and women, and of course a lot of variety of keychains, very cute keychains. I'm watching to see what all I got. I got this makeup remover. This was just for rupees 107. I've seen this a lot. Makeup tutorials वगैरह में लोग दिखाते रहते हैं, influencers. So I thought I want to try it out, and that's why मैंने ये लिया है. Then हम pet parents की सबसे important चीज़ lint roller, because हर कपड़े पे इनके बाल लग जाते हैं, तो this was very much required. या में यहाँ पर Mr. DIY में बहुत सस्ता मिल गया, तो we picked this up. This came for just rupees 159, and उसमें 3 rolls आए हैं, which is a very good steal deal. Then I picked up these long socks. 3 colors है, blue, black and grey. This was for just rupees 230, and I really liked it. The quality is nice, and yeah, that is what we picked up. दिस क्लिप आई रियली लाइक फॉर माई सिस्टर इन लॉ, तो मैं उसके लिए लेके आई हूँ. दिस इज फॉर 64 रुपीज. इट्स वेरी क्यूट. आई रियली लाइक द क्वालिटी एज वेल, वेरी स्टर्डी. दिस आई पिक्ड अप फॉर माई किड्स हेयर कोम्बिंग के लिए. एंड प्लस जब ये कोम कर लेंगे उसके बाद इसको बाल को निकालने के लिए ये इस चीज से यहाँ पे जस्ट पुश करना है तो बाल सारे आपके बाहर आ जाएंगे. तो इफ यू आर अ पेट पेरेंट आई थिंक दिस वुड बी वेरी हैंडी. दिस वॉज फॉर 280 रुपीज. And I picked up this lavender color hair clip for myself. This was for just ₹55. I really loved it. It's very trendy and very cute. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. वैसे भी मेरे बाल छोटे हैं तो इतने में फिट आ जाएंगे. That's why I got this one. So that is it for my today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you all soon. Bye.